Here we are, friends, gathered in a very familiar place. Pastor and I have brought our light to shed onto this one because that's right. We can see that Jesus is here in the manger, and now the star goes up and maybe even stays up. So that means it is the Epiphany season. So join us for a really great Epiphany conversation here as we gather with our lights. Some of you may be asking, who are these two? I haven't seen them in forever. Well, how are you feeling?
It was Christmas and COVID happened, and sad for the both of us, we got it, but luckily for us, we didn't get it bad. So we are back on our feet, healthy, alive, and we are happy to be together with you again on our Detour online for January, because it's the wise thing to do in these times. And we even want to try out something new this time, because we thought if we can be together in this space, and share the community, we can do a live service even. On Zoom, and then afterwards share the sermon part and the parts like we all know on YouTube, but to be really able, if you want, to join us on our regular time on Sunday morning, 11 a.m. and do the service together, sing and pray together.
And this Sunday it will be me. I will be sitting here. We will be talking about that star. We will be talking about our passage for the year, so stay tuned for that one. And we will be gathered here in the light, having some great conversations about what Epiphany means for each and every one of us. I know for me, just being healthy is a bit of an epiphany. So we are glad to be here, and we will see you on Sunday at 11 on Zoom. For those of you who want to join us later in the week, go for it. It'll be there and available for you on YouTube.
And if you ask yourself now, but how can I join? Then you just wait for our midweek email, or subscribe to our newsletter, look on our email, on our webpage, or just call the office for the details, and then you can join us.
And of course, as always, should you want to register for that in advance, it is available through Eventbrite, which those links are always in the midweek email, and also available on the website. That's an Epiphany mouthful. We will see you all on Sunday.
Be blessed. Bye.